Apex coding for admins topic. On topic is we are creating a list, and for this create and adjust the list. Open execute anonymous window, and here in the gear icon we need to select this developer console. In this developer console we need to close things and we need to open anonymous execute anonymous window. Anonymous window I have already. This one we need to clear this and we need to copy this, replace the existing code with this code. Copy this, paste here. And actually what happened in this code is here they created a bank account, checking bank account, and one here the name of the checking bank account is the name like this, and they deposited $150, and again they created saving account for the bank account, new bank account method, and saving account type is saving, they mentioned saving, and account type saving, and the name of the account saving account is this, and the deposit on that is $220 and maybe 220 and any currency, and you can use any currency. Then they make a list that bank account for that bank account with the object bank accounts, need creating this list bank by using this list bank method, and the output is this. Yeah, like this statement is the bank list has this size and bank accounts, and they added checking account bank accounts, and they added saving accounts for the bank account, and next they debug like system debug like output is displays the like the bank account list has bank account size and bank accounts, and here is the list, and they mentioned through display on the debug bank accounts. This is the whole code happened here, and now we need to check in the open log and execute the anonymous window in the all. Then we need to see the debug what happened, and here is the yeah they what they asked here is, and here system debug displays this information. The bank account list has 0 bank accounts, and the next display is that bank account list has this one. Next, this 24, line 24, this displays on this debug. This the account has 2 bank accounts, and third one is the what display is the here is the list of the bank accounts. Here the list of the bank accounts with the names, and they provided how much deposited, everything here displayed on the third. And then and next in the developer console open the create contact from can class and replace the existing code with the code. Okay, then now we open create con, here is the class what they mentioned, double click on it, it will open, and here we need to replace this, and here we need to copy whatever we have here is we need to delete, and we need to paste this one, this, and then save it. They told me, yeah, here they mentioned save one, create contact from can class, and verify that. Yes, we did it. Next, what they told here, how to create the list for the loop. We can now here adjust the loop in the developer console. What we did last time in the developer console, in the open and the execute anonymous window we opened here, and this in this, and they told me to replace this, they are that loop, they created loop for that list with the variable temp account. Here they mentioned they connected with account name. Here they what they want to display on that debug with the balance and all this. Existing code is same, but they added extra here loop. Okay, we will replace this here. Whatever we have in the existing code, we'll remove this all code and we'll copy this and loop code and next what they told and execute. Check that we need to always check the open log. Yes, check. And debug only select what happened in the debug. It's displaying same thing. Yes, the extra here is loop thing. Loop thing is displaying here. Um, Here what they mentioned here account name with is a checking account with what is the account type and balance with that variable that they provided list until it repeats until how many deposits we have they everything with name of the deposit account. That's it. And then now again they told me to open the class existing class, create contact from a can. This one class, and again they told me to replace here and need to clear the old one and this copy and this replace with this new one. And then now we can save the save the new one and verify with a loop for candidates. And what happened here? They created a list candidate and clean for loop. Here is yeah, good. It's done. And then next is use DML to save sObjects to database. And here create adjust the objects. Here they create how to they in the developer console in the anonymous window and they told me to create how to this object account object how to create account object the name of recurring and data that record is inserting in the database and debugging display like name and whatever new account name. And now in anonymous window we need to clear the old and copy this and paste here and make sure we need to be always make sure it check the open log and execute it and debug only select the debug what happened here. Yeah, a new account name recurring was added. The, whatever they mentioned and new account name whatever name and the added was added message exactly. And then next with again we are going back that old existing class create contact from can double click on it and here we need to be replace again with this code ask it to replace the old code with this code new code with whatever we are inserting the list of the accounts here whatever created okay empty. Okay, next we need to replace it with this one what here save it. Here they mentioned first name. What they did here created a contact with a list of the candidates. And for the candidates, loop for the candidates. Whenever they created a candidate, again we need to be added a new contact by providing the list here and saving it, inserting in the database. The whole code is what happening here is that creating a new contact whenever we are creating a new candidate and the candidate automatically will creating a again creating a contact and it's saved in the database. Yes, we did it. And then next is create SOQL to return data to Apex. Here is how to create a query. Here a query, create query and SOQL query review recurring account that you created, whatever. And we'll close all this old one window, all windows, all we create. And here, developer console, file, go to file and open resources and select account object. Account, um, where is the account here? Account object, double click on it and here it's opened. Here is query, see the query version here, the query editor is opened here. Select id and name here. mm, Click query and here is click query again. Click here, select id from account, here it happen here, and id and the name. Use the in the query editor display instructions query. Click query again. At the end of the query, type where the name. Here we need to recurring. Copy this. Here we need to where the name is. Okay, I need to go back. Here is select ID from account where name is recurring and execute will execute it. And here is the displays. Verify the this like this happening and execute it and associated here. This is whatever record is here. It's displayed with the name ID. And next, create a class replace again. Again, we need to go the class of whatever we have created contact. This one we are need to old one code clear and replace it with new. And here is inserting again database contact whatever list contact list is. Then verify this, save this. First we need to save here this whatever replaced one we need to save first and verify here. One more, how to Apex class named. Okay, we didn't save before, that's why its error message came. Again we will check. Yes, we did.